Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen. First, ensure your Zen device is properly connected to your computer. You'll need to download and install the Zen Studio software, which is essential for configuration. Always update your Zen's firmware to the newest version. This ensures compatibility and access to all features. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience, allowing you to unlock the full potential of your device. Once Zen Studio is installed, you can begin configuring your device. Explore the intuitive interface to find various settings and options. You'll want to load specific game packs or custom scripts tailored for your favorite games. These provide advanced modifications like anti-recoil or rapid fire. Take your time to adjust sensitivity, remap buttons, and fine-tune other in-game parameters to match your playstyle perfectly. After configuring your settings, it's time to connect your Zen to your gaming system. Use the correct USB cables to link the Zen to your console or personal computer. Remember to plug your primary controller into the Zen's designated input port. The device's LED display will confirm a successful connection, often showing a specific color or code. This step bridges your customized settings directly to your gameplay. To truly master your Zen, delve into its advanced features. Consider learning GPC scripting to create highly personalized modifications beyond standard game packs. The device offers 8 memory slots, allowing you to save and quickly switch between various configurations for different games or playstyles. Engaging with the Zen community forums is also highly recommended. It's a fantastic resource for shared scripts, tips, and troubleshooting assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.